Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to my vlog. Thank you again for joining me, and it's always a pleasure having you checking in on my video. This evening we're just gonna do some work. It's a service evening, just a pull in from after the work, but I'm not gonna have any time to service this car before Saturday, and I need to do it because I'm going out of town Saturday morning. And I really wanted to change my oil, fresh up the intake and change out, just the regular service. So I bought my oil filter, the free flow already, but I'm going to knock that out and blow it out. And I'm going to check those plug. I don't think I need plug based on how the car is running, but I'm going to check them. And if I do need plugs, then I can probably just get those either tomorrow or Friday, but definitely before Saturday if I need any. Alright, my coolant is alright, power steering is alright. Yeah, so guys, I'm just gonna clean up the engine a little bit. Maybe just take this off and clean the intake inside and just change my oil, so at least I know that I am good to go Saturday to the country. Hey guys, you know what? See this jack here? I got this jack on my birthday, December gone, by my one and only baby girl. Yeah, my baby's giving me this, and I so appreciate this because, trust me, it does wonders. Very good jack and air pressure at the same time, all in one, flashlight, all of that. Very good. Yeah, so I'm gonna crack them, take off that passenger wheel so I can get access to the oil bung easier instead of going all the way under there. Oh, I need current. Crack those. This little tool here is so powerful. Very powerful, guys. Very little nice handy tool. So right now it is just about off the ground, off the ramp. See that? So it's just about off the ramp. This car is so damn low, man. So I'm gonna put a jack stand under there after I take this off. So always make sure that your wheels are cut, guys. When you're about to jack up the car, make sure that your wheels are cut properly. So guys, you know that while you're draining the oil, you pull the cork for the engine, alright? Because what that does is release all the air and let it flows down easier and everything go down. The other thing is, make sure that when you're doing an oil change, the engine is hot, and that means all the oil will run down to the bottom of the engine into the pan and drain out. Alright? When the car is cold, when the engine is cold and you're doing an oil change, a lot of the oil is all over the engine and just stays there because it's cold and it just sets and wherever it's at. So when you're doing an oil change and the engine is cold, it doesn't get all the oil out. So you find that when you change your oil now, it just easily contaminates back. You see it dark easily, quickly. Right? So what you do, make sure that the car is hot, like I just came from work a while ago, and jack up the car, and I just want to do it right away because the car is still hot and all the oil is now draining down to the bottom of the engine and out of the car. Alright, as you can see, it's still just barely dripping. Black. Dang boy, it's that oil black. So I ended the evening, finish up my car, service and all of that, change oil and everything. I didn't film all of it, but however, my other brethren with the Celica came by to also service his car, and we get into that, but we didn't really film all of that. Night came down and you don't know, it was dark and all of that, so we get both cars up and running and just call it a night. Thank you again guys for watching the video. Like and share the video, and if you haven't yet subscribe to the channel. You know, let's bring this up to a point. Alright guys, thank you.